I decided to write a review on the web interface of the VIX exchange. Who is following my social networks? About a week ago, where was it? By the provided link? Carla Muna. No, he registered on this exchange and he kept both his mail and cell phone there. They have also provided me with yours. Bonus for trading there is 100. I can't take them out, but I can trade them. There, these $100 are written off by commissions. There is the goalkeeper. Yes, they are very well done, because lately I don't remember who kind of handed out money just like that. Well, what an exchange. But that is, you don't need to put your money there at all, as if not what's there, as they usually do there, to top up a deposit of $1,000. There we will give you $100 there, yes. In the form of bonuses. No, here they just gave you $100 and that's it. So whoever wants can sort of register through King Moon, and they will also give you 100 at home. I posted a post yesterday. How much I earned there in a week? There was about 130% net profit. Yes, that is, they gave me $100 for yesterday. I was there. And the initial deposit there was 230s, which has now grown to 255s. In other words, I earned 160% within just a week there. Yes, but I was doing a post. I thought that they would kind of get in touch with me. I wrote to them, what? Allow me to explain what aspects of your interface I find unsatisfactory. Yes, so they have the ability to completely eliminate it. Remarks and keep working. Maybe I would be given some kind of bonuses there for trading, say, money or something else. But as if they are silent for now, I decided to write it down, as it were, because there are some critical comments for traders. This is, as it were, very inconvenient. All right, let's get started. What do we perceive as a standard data interface for crypto exchanges? While there's nothing groundbreaking here, there are minor details worth noting. Firstly, regardless of my attempts, I cannot remove the glass. That is to say, there's no accessible cross anywhere, making it impossible to adjust this component. Accordingly, I do not trade by glass, especially as it seems unclear where this glass comes from, whether from this exchange or from some other. Where can we trade this data from in general with a glass, if you are connected, as it were? Well, some. A very large exchange and some kind of market leader like ours is probably Binance. If you consider crypto, you require a certain drive and the ability to scalp efficiently. And you kind of do something based on it, make deals. Here they issue, as it were, a book of warrants, glasses there, and so on. Well, I don't discern any real value in it, meaning it merely occupies space, and frankly, I don't need it. I'd prefer to remove it, though it's not possible. Would that be a valid comment? Second remark. I can't stretch the graph. That is, you see there are no arrows, so that I can, let's say, put the graph in the glass and stretch it to the bottom, so that it looks more or less normal. That is, it's inconvenient for me to open a graph in this window, or let's stretch it to the entire screen, right? Well, first of all, I don't like it. I have a large monitor. I have several windows open in it, as it were. And I don't want to do that. Yes, if I remove the glass, yes, along the width here and to the bottom of the screen, I would stretch it, and that would be enough for me. That is, although other exchanges seem to do this, I don't know why they didn't do it. That is, here are two comments. It's like ability to stretch. Schedule. Trade. It is somewhat uncomfortable, though not so much as genuinely unstable connection. Currently, it feels like a day off with a light load, and the connection remains stable momentarily, leading me to cancel applications instead of making new ones. change them. That is, everything just hung. Something needs to be done about this. Why I think this is a problem, as if not on my side, because I have other exchanges open there in other tabs. They kind of work stably. That is, the VIX exchange seems to have some kind of problem with the servers, and it needs to be solved, because for large deposits of some large ones and so on, for traders, of course, this is a very important point, so that there is always access, even under heavy load, as it were. And it was possible to cancel applications or make new ones or open an order there and so on. This is an important Greek thing. I mean, if I had a big deposit there, I'd kind of, well, I'd strain, honestly. Because you might be there at some moment. Whether the market is falling or booming, you can't do anything about it. So on. Let's move on sometimes. The connection is broken, but I mean, I get it when I open a new window there, or even go there to other sections of the site. Account crashes. Well, that is, it turns out I have to relog into my account. And this can kind of type in a password, a login, and so on. You get text messages there, and it doesn't seem to be very convenient. You need to do something to make this happen. It was less clear that two-factor authentication could be implemented. Authentication and so on, but this is when you have a large deposit. As if you yourself, yes, you can set it, as if in the settings. I think it needs to be done. Maybe it already exists here. To be honest, I didn't climb or look there. But it's inconvenient having to enter login and password details every time, as if a driver needs to. The exchange remembered. One more point, you can already see the average connection. Getting green was turning yellow, sometimes even red, and there was nothing else that could be done. What is VIX exchange? As I understand it, they themselves right here, and the price sources of hobbies there are Binance OKEx and so on. So they took the oracles? They take quotes, as it were, from other exchanges and provide traders with the opportunity to trade. Well, that is, you understand, I don't know about the security there that they have. I didn't give out these details there. However, in fact, yes, in Russia they used to be called Forex kitchens. Yes, when they take quotes from somewhere, they give traders the opportunity to trade based on the quotes there from many big exchanges. The same thing is done here, and so no matter how big the shoulders are, it's not bad. It's like, well, normal. I think the scheme of work. The question is, as it were, security. If you, as it were, bring a lot of money into this exchange. Yes, you should kind of read, probably. Can you elaborate on the collateral, where it is held, in what assets, and other details? Meaning, we don't actually engage in trade here with each other there or there with a market maker or an account with someone. It's just that, as it were, quotes from other exchanges are larger and everything is for the same thing, probably partially as if with a listing. That is, there should be quite a large number of futures here. They simply gather all this data from other exchanges, and I intend to replicate this on my platform. The principle is the same. Yes, this is not a bad option. That is for you, in essence. There is no need for huge liquidity. Indeed, traders engage in trading. You source quotes from other exchanges at an average value. And that's it. How should one understand the amount calculated for payments? To traders. Well, in general, this is a quite good scheme, as it were working. Because, well, for major exchanges it is. A significant amount of capital is required, particularly for marketing and ensuring proper execution. In such circumstances, when they have already emerged, it appears as if the market continues to evolve. And a lot of big players. Let's proceed with the task in that location, for example. Such scenarios will not occur in the exchange. It serves as a valuable lesson. Engage in your unique form of arbitration there, market making, etc. However, it is rather costly. So in a certain manner, today I initiated a position on shorts and agreements. His reviews were told. Where are we heading? Thus, we refrain from addressing that at this time. Well, actually, out of $100, it turns out I earned 150% there in a week, and I got $30 there. And I understand that this is in the form of a commission. Yes, that is. You see, I have futures bonuses there, as if $71 remained, although they said that they would generally withdraw them there. Well, that is, they will take this one. Bonuses after a week of trading. Yes, they sent messages there, but so far they haven't been taken away. That is, they are here with me and the transaction commission is deducted from them. Best of luck, please proceed. I intend to showcase my weekly performance.
Сейчас я найду, где он здесь находится. Вот. Сейчас, секундочку. Вот. Куда-то мы там
Failed? Please go. To be honest, I don't really remember things in the deposit, maybe.
Сейчас, секундочку.
Everything will eventually load, regardless of the speed at which it functions. Review their assets.
Futures. Так, сейчас. Где мне это найти? Где-то можно, наверное, найти это все. Давайте попробуем вот так. Не знаю, честно говоря, где.
I searched as best I could yesterday. I posted a post. I found P&L somewhere. You see, kindly register once more to log in. Someone looking for me might get it. It's like a pawn himself. Exactly.
Может и нет.
However, in general terms, how should I elaborate on all these deficiencies? Here is the interface. There is a mobile application. I don't really like using it. I very rarely do this. Well, because I don't advise anyone to trade from a mobile phone.
Это не очень хороший способ.
Consequently, I am unable to provide a thorough evaluation. Perhaps there exists a computer application that lacks a standard user interface.
Нормально.
Anyway, that's my take on it. Didn't test.
И не знаю.
So, okay. Who wants a free $100 through Carl Moon? Sign up and get them as if you can trade. It's actually very good, especially for beginners. As if there is no problem at all. The fact is that you leave your phone number in the mail and that's it, and you get $100. As if for trading, as if you came in, use it. Such offerings in the market. Now I can't even remember. Everywhere you need to start some kind of real money, and then you get bonuses there. But here it's kind of free, so everything is for now for everyone. Until further reviews.